Hey guys, it's your boy Ocey Phillips here again, and today we're taking a deep dive into Tatil Trinidad. So for those who don't know and have seen this, Tatil Trinidad is an insurance company here, and we're gonna break down more things surrounding their keywords and the keyword research and how I would have used it as a part of a strategy, right? So in this tool, we're breaking down tatil.co.tt, that's the URL. We see the top keywords here, we see the volume, and we see the position, right? On the left hand side, we can see the page rank for Tatil itself, not search engine response pages or Google or anything. We can see how much traffic there is, how much percent of the overall domain traffic it is, the value of that traffic if it were to be in an ad spend, the keywords, and the actual referral domains here. So the keywords we're seeing here: Tatil, Tatil Insurance, Tatil Trinidad, Life Insurance, Grand Bazaar, that's one of the locations. Health Insurance, Tatil Arima, again, the next location. Tatil Insurance Trinidad, Tatil Port of Spain, Tatil Chaconas. So this may have been done from some basic keyword research, so that is okay. Then we see the position in here, right? We see the volume, we see the keyword density, how much it would cost as a cost per click, traffic, the results, and last time it was updated. So today is the 1st of September 2021. We see that this was updated almost as recent as possible, some on the 29th of August, right? And we could go back up. So we could scroll through all the domains and we could see the different ones that has different keywords that they rank for. We could drill down and see what keywords they are. Now for Tatil, I would use this tool, but I would do this for all my competitors. See what keywords they rank for, and then I would have put out content that would rank higher than them for their organic keywords, because it's going to be a really tough game to get market share in terms of how saturated the insurance space is in Trinidad. There are quite a few insurance places that offer different types of insurance, but this is what I would have done. So this same thing, I'd have drilled down on a Qualifier, I'd have drilled down on a Beacon, I'd have drilled down on a Guardian, and see where their pages are, how much traffic that these pages get, and what to do with them. So let's take a dive into the competing domains. Alright, so this tool then pulls 49 domains that compete with Tatil based on the information that they have on their site. So we could see here there's some keywords that are unique to the target, right? And all this is in Trinidad and Tobago. Of course, we could search for different markets if we need to. These are keywords that are unique to this, right? So this breakdown really says keywords that are here that the competition isn't ranking for, and that is really important. These are common keywords, right? And these are keywords that are unique to the competitor. So we see the difference here, right? Keywords that Tatil is using that the competition isn't using, but then it also shows you keywords that are unique to the competitor that Tatil isn't using. And based on those competing domains, these are the places, or these are the companies that are winning that fight, right? So there's Beacon, Trinidad Insure, Shift as a company that basically tries to democratize how you get insurance. You go to them, you put in the information, and it's basically a digital broker that would find the cheapest rates, right? This is Association of Trinidad and Tobago Insurance Companies, I think, and their site would also get traffic because I think they deal with probably like a wider part of insurance. And then we go down Sagicor, Qualifier, and all these other ones, right? And some Macal, Compare TT, and some hotels, different things, right? So let's take a deeper dive into this. So based on one of the organic keywords that Tatil uses, and we're going to use this as their motor quotation page, as you can see the URL here. So this one of the keywords that they use, or the couple keywords that they use on this motor quotation page is Tatil Car Insurance. They try to use Qualifier roadside assistance. They try to use Qualifier online payment. They try to use Motor One Insurance. They try to use Motor One itself, which is a different insurance company. I'm not even too sure if that one is still in existence. Try to use Qualifier Port of Spain, Qualifier locations. Now, these things have some volume, right? But the traffic is not specific to the volume. Traffic doesn't tie into it. 0.16%, but then there's the volume is 200 for this keyword here. and you only get 0.16%, which is not enough. What I would have done is I would have gone back to this page, break down these keywords, see what is what, see what are unique to me, see what is unique to the competitor, and then use all of those keywords across the different competitors here, right? And then we would have seen how the search engine results page would have looked at it, right? And we're taking a dive into that. This is not pre-recorded, this is a tool live, right? And this shows us title car insurance, motor insurance, motor quotation, online payments, right? And we could see here some of the volumes there. Top keyword for this, right? That shows up, motor quotation. But the traffic is only 8, right? So that's not enough. We need to get more traffic, right? And we could break down that traffic right down to this title car insurance page. Here's where I'm able to do it, and this is how this is the beauty of data. So we can see the position history for title car insurance, right? We can see the position history, but we could also see color coded here on this graph, title, product, motor insure, motor quotation in green, and online payments in red in the graph. So let's look at the motor quotation page here in green, right? So you see it there, title, motor quotation, and we could see 7 people visited, right, on the 16th of January, right? And we could see right down to almost anything else. But what's more beautiful is we could see here in red online payments. We could see how much people went to title online payments Friday the 30th of August 2019, and then we could see that contact us page, but then we could also see title payments 10th of June, and we could bring it right across, and we could drill it right down if we need to, right? We could see the full product line that somebody visited, and we could see the about page. We could see different things. And what this allows me or whoever is using this as a part of a strategy to do is that you could take this, you could see what events happened on that day, and then you could reverse engineer and then turn it into a strategy. So for me, that day may be closer to a season, it may be in tandem with an ad post, it may be in tandem with a boosted post, or maybe some grand thing that Tatil did. How did that affect the traffic? Then I could know how much people come to this page. And then I know, all right, based on those results, this is working, so let me expand on that and not expand on the other campaigns that did not prove to have a better ROI, right? But what this would also do is it could also take this, go back to their initial analytics, and then say, here's what, based on our initial analytics, this shows that these are the people that converted from here to here. These are the conversions that converted, and these are the people here. Where did they come from? Where did they enter the site from? What page did they come from? The breadcrumbs across social channels, and did they get here? And then you study that entire user journey and you max it up. But it's not good for the fluctuation that you have here, where you're seeing Friday 30th, and then basically there's always drop off. So it's only up until this stage where you're seeing the actual highs of it, So let's take off almost everything else, right? So we're taking off almost everything else from here, and we're leaving payments, and we're leaving, right, look at that graph. So all we're doing is motor quote page that is highlighted there, and payments, and you can see the traffic down to the day, right? September 19th, Tuesday, October, 15th of November, and we could come right on February, March, May, June, July, August, 30th, down to the 30th of August. And we could do the same thing for the quotation. We could do the exact same thing for the quotation, right? So you could use these things, see the trends and patterns, and once you could measure, then you take it and then you turn it into a digital strategy. And then you're saying, here's what, based on these results, on this data that I have, we could now then say, here's what, all these other things this for Facebook, this for Instagram, this type of content for this. Or we could also just rank for motor pages in other companies, use their keywords, build it into blogs, carousel, different type of content, different type of video content, have it ranked on search engine, so your initial search engine response page, your SERP response would be higher, but then also it ties into other search engines like YouTube that would boost that, right? So what I would do is pull all this data, see what worked for that, see what worked for competitors based on their keywords, merge all of that under me, and then still put out content for long term to organically rank higher than our competitors, as we could see across here with the keywords unique to competitors. So they have everything here. They have, this is more than 5,000 keywords on this entire list. 2,000 here, 2,000 here, right? They have more than 5,000 keywords that they could use to expand and build content in different forms: long facing, list facing content, blogs that would be organically indexed and searched through Google, video content that would be picked up by YouTube and other platforms, and then they could rank organically, and then they could gain market share by just this simple thing. This simple piece of data gives Tatil thousands of ideas for content that they could push content for the next 2 years, 3 years, if they use one a day. So I hope this was insightful to whoever viewing it. If you're viewing it from the insurance space, this could be done for any insurance company, but this could also be done across multiple verticals of business. You just have to know that keywords is really key, and you have to understand how to use it. Thank you.